Welcome back to my channel, guys. On this channel I talk about crypto boxes, how you can make money online, free money online, especially in crypto. And if you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and turning on your notification so you can get videos like this when I release them. So let's go into the nitty-gritty. Like I always tell you, this crypto box that you're getting is free money. So why are you not, getting them? Why do you have a phone and you're not making money on using your phone? Why do you have a phone when you can make money online and you're not doing so? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do so, plus how you can also subscribe to my Telegram channel. Everything, the link is going to be in the description of this video. You subscribe to my Telegram channel so you can be getting these codes firsthand. Remember, this codes is first come, first serve. As fast as you can, that's what this code is all about. So if you're not fast enough, you're not able to get this code. So this is my Binance right here. All right, as you can see now, my total balance on the top left corner right here is showing $3.83. All right, I think I'm moving up small, gradually, just from crypto boxes. All right, so how do you get to the crypto box? Now, this is the home page of your Binance app. Once you scroll down more, it brings you to this other page where you can see Binance Live. All right, so you want to click on Binance Live. Once you do so, it brings you right to this page. This is the Binance Live. It's on the Binance Live you get crypto boxes. Well, there's so many topics you can really latch on. If you don't really want to get crypto boxes, you want to get information about cryptocurrencies and all of that, so you can latch on to any one of these and you'll be able to do so. But I am more interested in the crypto box, so that's what I'm here to do. All right, so usually once I want to do crypto box codes and all of those kind of things, I usually come to Daniel DM, or I come to Elementor is not online right now, or I come to Twink is not online right now. So a while ago I was with Digital Girl MIA because she was doing good. So let me just click on her live. This is Digital Girl MIA. So this is her live. You can see it's very active and a lot of people are right here. So what she does is she drops codes, and sometimes when she has guests, those guests also drop codes. All right, and you can also appreciate her by sending rewards. This is one of them. This is one of the box. So I just click open, and once I click on open, so I've claimed this box already. You can see right there I have this lever. This is another box, so this is what I'm saying, but this is empty. This is another box. You can see it's coming in. So I was saying that you can actually appreciate the host by giving them any one of these gifts bag, but I'm not going to do so right now. This is another one from California Gold, 29 BNB, 0.00029 BNB. All right, so the more you get these codes, the more you get these codes, the better for you. All right, because each time those codes accumulate over time, and you never can tell how much it's now reward into. This is another 14 BNB. All right, so you see why this is another code. It's coming in fast. This PolyX. So this is another code. Guys, subscribe to my channel so you can be seeing these videos live and you can be getting codes. Remember, this is the one I'm doing live. There's another one I'm going to show us how we can impute these codes. All right, how we can impute codes, so you can actually literally get this same reward in case you don't want to come live. You don't want to come to Binance Live. Maybe you are trying to minimize your battery life. You just want to put codes and claim the rewards. I'm also going to show us how we can do that. But just in case you want to do Binance Live, you can come right here. All right, you can come right here, Binance Live. You can see Digital Girl MIA. She's doing pretty cool. She has good host. She's a good host, and she has good guests as well that are dropping these codes, these boxes. So why don't you want to just latch on time? This is another box. I'm showing you live. This is live, and you can see right here when you read the lower part of this inscription, it says your crypto has been sent to your funding wallet. During busy periods, it takes up to 1 hour to receive your crypto. So you can find all these boxes you are claiming. You can find them in your funding wallet. And mind you, the last one I just claimed was ADA. All right, that was ADA. And now, like I always tell you guys, you can see in the future that there could be one investor that just wants to invest in one of these crypto big time, and then because of the fact that you have claimed some coins, you can be so lucky that the coins you have claimed is part of one of those coins the investor wants to invest in, and you can hit it big time. So why don't you don't have anything to lose, right? All you need to do is get your data, buy a good phone, get your data, as well as ensure that your battery is full, and then you can claim these codes as much as you can, as I'm doing already. So you can just appreciate them by clicking on like, which I'm doing right now. This is another box. Click on open to claim this. They are mostly empty because you have about 7,000 people on this live. You can see up there on the top left corner where you have 7k views. This is another one. So the faster you are, the better for you. This is BSW. So I'm claiming as much codes as I can, So I've just shown us this. All right, I'm still going to come back here. So I'm going to minimize. I've minimized my live. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to where you can also, if you don't want to come to live, you can click on the crypto box right here. All right, so you can impute the codes here in this enter box code, so you can impute it here and also click on claim now. And let me just use this opportunity to take us to my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram handle. All right, my name is Abudu Free Boxes. So you can search for that name on your Telegram, and then, like I said, the link is going to be in the description of this video. So I drop codes here every time. You can see these are the ones I've dropped for people, and a lot of people are really enjoying it. You can see these are the ones I'm dropping. So let me just use an instance now. For instance, I want to use this last code here that has been claimed already. I just want to just copy the code and go back to your Binance, enter the code here and click on claim now. But I won't be able to do so because I've claimed this code already. You can see it's showing me that I've claimed this code already. All right, so I won't be able to claim this code. But the one that has not been claimed, it's going to tell you claim now. When you click on claim now, it shows you open. Just click on open and then you claimed that particular reward. So let me go back to, and in case you want to go back to your live, just click on the live. All right, and you come back straight to your live. All right, once you do that, you are right here claiming back those boxes. Let me just get one more because it seems like they're dropping the codes simultaneously, spontaneously. All right, yeah, this is another one. So let me click on it. You can see this is another one I've claimed. All right, so I hope this makes sense to you. This is another code. All right, this is empty. I hope this video makes sense to you. Don't forget to like the page, guys. Like the page, like my channel, like the YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel please, so you can get more videos like this. So what I want to do, let me minimize again. I want to show our funding wallet. All right, so funding wallet, when you click on the funding wallet, it's going to show you all the codes you have claimed. I've even claimed Naira. You can see I have some change in the Naira there. I've claimed Russian ruble already. I have BTC, 0.0019. I have BTC, that's the BitTorrent. I have USDT. I have BUSD. I have Repo. All right, you can see my Repo. I have Sheep, so on, so on and so forth. I have a lot of coins that I've claimed. If you go to my sports, I also have a lot of coins right there. You can see my sports. Okay, this is my spot right here. I have a lot of coins. Reef, I have. So all these coins, I claim them from the Binance Live. All these coins. All right. So, and you can do the same. You can do the same, guys. You can do the same, guys. Yes. Yeah. Please subscribe to my channel. I've come to the end of this video. I hope it makes sense to you, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, guys, for staying on this channel.